This is Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. Today I'm doing some catfishing, and I bought a few shiners and some catfish bait. This is all they have for a dip bait, and then some rotten cheese stuff. So we're gonna give that a try. Actually, the rotten cheese stuff just had a bite, so let me get this all set up and we'll go. I caught a catfish on a minnow already, or on one of them shiners already, so we're already doing good. Nice catfish, so stay tuned. Look at him go. Get him. Nice kitty cat. Nice kitty cat. There we go. Beautiful cat. Now Tostitos rotten cheese. Ooh. You need to quit crawling these Mr. Crappie poles, and call them Mr. Catfish poles. That's what I've been catching. Catfish. Been stealing all my shiners. He's big enough to clean. We'll clean him. Alright, we're done fishing for the day. We got a couple nice catfish for dinner tonight, so we're just going to keep it a short little video, show off some cats. It was a good one. I got 3 to take home. Pretty good food, so thanks for watching.